Hello, how can I assist you today?
I'm looking for some books to read. Can you help me find some?
Of course. What kind of books are you interested in? Fiction, non-fiction, mystery, romance, or something else?
I like mystery books. Do you have any recommendations?
Certainly. We have a great selection of mystery novels. Have you read any books by Agatha Christie?
No, I haven't. Are her books good?
They're classics in the mystery genre. I recommend starting with Murder on the Orient Express. It's a popular one.
That sounds interesting. I'll take that one. Do you have any other recommendations?
How about trying some detective series? The Sherlock Holmes books by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle are excellent. You might enjoy the adventures of Sherlock Holmes.
Great! I'll take that one too.
Wonderful choices. Anything else you're looking for today?
Yes. I also need some information for a research project. Can you help me find books on marine life?
Absolutely. Let me show you to the section on marine biology. You'll find plenty of resources there.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need assistance in the future, feel free to ask. Enjoy your reading and research.